We've designed the BlueVenom XF250 61 SiC to redefine what a single welding machine can do. With up to 250 amps of output and silicon carbide inverter technology, this platform delivers exceptional efficiency, arc stability, and thermal performance engineered for demanding fabrication environments. This 61 platform supports MIG, pulse MIG, double pulse MIG, AC TIG, HFDC TIG, mixed TIG, TIG cold weld, and stick with pulse. The double pulse MIG mode delivers premium weld finishes, mixed TIG combines penetration and cleaning for thicker aluminium applications, and cold weld TIG minimizes heat input for precision fabrication and delicate materials. High frequency TIG start enables non-contact arc initiation for clean, precise starts. The 7-inch touchscreen provides full access to advanced parameters, waveforms, pulse tuning, and synergic presets. With 100 programmable memory slots, setups can be saved, shared, and repeated across production environments. If you want to get set up and start welding immediately, the auto set mode makes it easy. Synergic MIG, TIG, and stick let you select your plate thickness first, then the machine automatically configures current, voltage, and wire feed speed, streamlining your setup and ensuring optimal performance. Pre-configured Synergic programs are optimized for local shielding gas mixtures, allowing you to achieve quality results with minimal setup and parameter adjustment. And for those that want greater control over their welding characteristics and arc performance, the machine also gives you access to a range of advanced attribute and parameter tuning settings. Building on that control, the all-new Super Pulse mode operates similarly to standard pulse mode, but introduces a boost on the rising edges of each pulse. This significantly improves performance at lower pulse frequencies, particularly below 10 Hz, delivering better arc stability and more consistent bead formation. You also get fully adjustable hot start functionality with control over voltage, current percentage, arc length, and slope time. This allows you to fine-tune how the arc initiates and transitions into your set welding current, resulting in more reliable starts, improved penetration control, and cleaner welds right from the get-go. Another standout feature in this unit is dynamic arc control. When activated, this machine automatically adjusts the output current based on changes in arc voltage. As the arc length varies during welding, the system compensates to maintain consistent heat input. You can also set how aggressively it reacts, for example depending on how many amps it adjusts for each volt change, giving you a high level of fine-tuning capability while you're welding. Supporting this are several timing controls that help shape arc behavior throughout the weld cycle. AC time determines how long the output current operates using the selected AC waveform, while DC time defines how long the output current operates as direct current. In the automated welding modes, Time on sets the duration of welding in spot, multi-spot, and TIG cold weld modes, while the time off feature controls the interval between welds in multi-spot and TIG cold weld modes, allowing you full precise control over the full weld cycle. For double pulse applications, you can adjust the base arc length, giving you greater control over the bead profile and overall heat input throughout the pulse cycle. And the included 4-gear wire drive system ensures smooth and consistent wire feeding even with softer wires. The XF250 SiC ships with a premium 3-meter DGX36 OLED MIG gun with 3-button control, providing mounted adjustments with enhanced visual feedback. It's matched with a Dymex Elite 4-meter 26F flex head TIG torch with trigger and remote current control, giving users maximum flexibility and control whilst welding. This system is fully compatible with spool guns, push-pull guns, full pedals, our brand new arc locker machine covers, external wire feed systems like the BlueVenom X4, and the brand new CoolVenom 7-liter water cooler. External wire feed systems enable gantry and boom setups for large fabrication environments, while water cooling regulates torch temperature during high amperage or extended welding times, ensuring consistent performance and minimal downtime. Power factor correction guarantees stable operation across fluctuating power supplies while improving efficiency by reducing wasted power and delivering more usable output from the same input. And the IP23S rating means it's built for both industrial and outdoor use. Plus, with VRD built in, you're covered with safety in stick mode. And that's just the beginning. This unit is jam-packed with an extensive list of high-performance features you can take advantage of right out of the box. And to top it all off, the BlueVenom XF250 61 SiC is backed by CIGWELD's 5-year warranty. This unit isn't just a welder, it's a complete welding system that blows multiple machines out of the water regardless of the environment. It is available right now at your nearest CIGWELD ESAB distributor.